What's the meaning of conceivable? Conceivable. Conceivable.
Conceivable. Conceivable. Conceivable refers to something that can be imagined, thought of, or considered as a possibility. It suggests that there is a potential for something to happen, even if it may not have occurred yet. The term implies that the concept or idea is within the limits of human comprehension or imagination and might come to fruition under certain circumstances or conditions. Overall, conceivable is an adjective that highlights the idea of possibility and imaginative thinking, often used to describe scenarios and situations that could potentially occur.